Every metal-to-metal contact is a potential failure point. High-performance metal assembly paste engineered lubrication. Engineered for every critical assembly. Applied before running in, on gears, splines, cams and journal bearings, it creates a uniform protective film. Metal contact stabilized from the very first movement. In press-fit assemblies, it eliminates stick slip, reduces mounting force, and ensures perfect seating without damaging precision components. On high-load threaded connections, it controls friction, distributes clamping force evenly, and prevents galling, ensuring reliable disassembly even after years in service. Trusted in MRO, automotive, aerospace, railway, and general industry worldwide. High-performance metal assembly paste engineered lubrication, smart assembly solutions.